What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you some steps you can do to solve the issue of not being able to add cards to your Apple Wallet. So if you want to add a debit like a debit or a credit card, first make sure that your country is supported, or Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, sorry, is supported in your country. If it's not the issue and your country is supported and you still cannot add the card, there are some steps that you can try. First of all, you can go to settings here, then about, and then make sure your name here at the top, your iPhone name, doesn't contain any emojis or any strange characters. Rather, just a straight word, or your name in this case. If that doesn't solve the issue, you can try to sign out and sign into your iCloud account once again, and that might help the issue. Or even restarting your iPhone, it sometimes helps. Another step that you can try is to add your card through a different device that is connected to your iCloud, or it's synced to your iCloud, such as an iPad or Apple Watch if you have another Apple device and it's connected to your iCloud. And don't worry, if you add the card through your Apple Wallet or iPad or any other Apple device, it'll sync through all your Apple devices, so you can use the card on your iPhone.